Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Dyson HS01 hairdryer. In this video, we will take you through the essential steps to keep your hairdryer in top condition. Let's get started. First, you will need some basic tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a small brush or compressed air canister, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you access the internal parts of your hairdryer and clean them effectively. Begin by unplugging the device. Safety is always the top priority. Once unplugged, locate the screws on the back of the dryer. There are typically 3 screws that need to be removed using your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully set these screws aside in a small container to avoid losing them. Next, gently remove the back cover of the hairdryer. You may need to wiggle it slightly to detach it from the main body. This will expose the internal components of the dryer. Once inside, you will notice the heating element and the motor. Dust and debris can accumulate here over time, affecting performance. Using your small brush or compressed air, gently clean around these areas. Be cautious not to touch any electrical components directly. If you find that your hairdryer is still not performing as it should after cleaning, it might be time for a professional diagnosis. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help identify any underlying issues that may not be immediately visible. After cleaning, take your microfiber cloth and wipe down the outer casing of the dryer. This will help remove any fingerprints or residue that have built up over time. Now, let's reassemble your hairdryer. Carefully place the back cover back onto the device and align it with the screw holes. Replace the screws you previously removed and ensure they are tightened securely, but do not over-tighten as this can damage the plastic. Once everything is back in place, plug in your dryer and turn it on to ensure it's working correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery service at your home. We provide convenient solutions, ensuring you don't have to make any calls or travel. Lastly, if you're considering any repairs, remember to request a quote before repair. This way, you can make informed decisions about your device without any surprise costs. By following these steps and maintaining your Dyson HS01 hairdryer regularly, you can extend its lifespan and ensure it continues to perform at its best. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your perfectly maintained hairdryer. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.